I've just made some updates to my, small little YouTube studio. For example, I picked up 2 new phones. The Galaxy S25 Plus that I use as my main shooter. And then also the Galaxy A35 that I use as a secondary camera. I figured I'll give a quick overview of what I've got and how I use them. And yeah, there are a lot of Samsung products around here. Cheers from Sweden and welcome to my channel. I post videos about being productive on your Samsung devices, so if you enjoy this type of content, please subscribe for more. So, I'm hanging out in my basement now. About 5 months ago, I decided to set up my YouTube studio down here for a more permanent setup. By the way, you can find links to, almost everything I use down in the description. I picked up some acoustic damping panels, found a carpet and a few blankets, and I got this bookshelf to use as a backdrop along with some wooden panels. I'm also using a shotgun mic from Boya, which I connect through a Vocaster 1 to my S25 Plus that acts as the camera. Since my S25 Plus has video output, I can connect that phone to a hub, which is then connected to my old Samsung monitor that I use as a viewfinder. Honestly, I think this turned out pretty well. I love that I can just jump into shooting a new video without having to set up lights and a tripod for the camera. Now I have some updates. First off, as I mentioned before, the Galaxy A35 that I use as a secondary camera. That can be super handy from time to time. I also bought 2 new desk-mounted camera boom arms from Ulanzi. One of them is for the S25 Plus to shoot my talking heads. Then there is this overhead camera rig for the Galaxy A35. Whenever I need some, overhead shots. There's just one issue with the A35. It doesn't have any video output. So it can be a bit tricky to see if my overhead shots are framed and focused. The fix is to use the Link to Windows app. I can then mirror the phone screen on my laptop and start recording a video. Now I also have a second setup down here in the basement. Mostly to shoot B-roll and thumbnails for my videos. The desk is an old kitchen table that I bought on IKEA, of course, as a Swede. And the lights are some GVM RGB LED lights that I finally found some good use for. I've owned them since 2022, I think, and I haven't been using them very much. But, now I have a place for them. Well, that's pretty much it. So, until next time, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and have a lovely day. Bye!